Another pretty sky out there
Yeah,
tonight.
and it's not 73. It's 91.
I thought
It's
it
what
was
it feels like
73.
all the time.
I think
yeah.
they confused. They had the show Laguna Beach, which was in California.
Yeah, in California, where
and it probably
temperatures
is 73 degrees
Yeah,
year-round.
it usually probably is, and unless they thought that maybe they were in the air conditioning for a long time.
It's 73 degrees year-round in there. Well, it's colder in
all the
here,
time.
but yeah.
We are looking at some warm temperatures indeed, and a lot of sunshine throughout most of the day. We had some showers in the morning. We had some high clouds too moving in overhead just at around sunset. And as always, boy, it's been really quite interesting. The sky turning pink right there, a nice pink and blue as you see the clouds moving off toward the west. Well, as you would expect too, a lot of photos have been sent in when you get a nice sunset like that. And this one from Siesta Key. Speaking of Siesta, Paul Taylor getting that beautiful shot. This one from Art Conforti, always a pleasure. And that is this last one from Lakewood Ranch, Marilyn Kessler, also providing that nice photo. Well, the Titan radar picture not showing much going on right now. There's still some lingering showers, but most of the activity has ended. There were some big storms down near Lee County and Fort Myers. There's a few storms offshore. Not much going on right now. There could be a few developing right along the coastline right around sunrise tomorrow. 84 degrees. There it is. The heat index at 91. The humidity 72%. The pressure 30.01 inches. That is rising ever so slightly right now. The high today was 1 degree above the average, and the low was well above it at 78. No rainfall. It's been relatively dry this week thus far across most of the coastal locations. However, we did get some rain today at Anna Maria, the north end of Longboat Key this morning, but not a lot of widespread rain west of I-75. Temperatures for highs tomorrow right around 90, coming at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. The feels like temperature will be well above that. Beginning at around 11 o'clock, we should be into the mid-90s as far as that feels like temperature goes. Now, in the tropics, things are going to start getting pretty active, I do believe, as we head into August. All the prognosticators and forecasters earlier this season suggesting that we are going to have an active season so far. We've had 4 named storms, but we could see a lot more in the month of August and September. We're watching this little disturbance down here as it heads off toward the west right now. The National Hurricane Center giving it a 30% chance development in the next 5 days. No real threat in the next couple of days. We'll just watch it out there in the Atlantic spinning around. I mentioned the morning showers along the coast. We could see a few, and then those will have a tendency to be around and then move inland throughout the afternoon with that west wind. Similar conditions anticipated again on Saturday with morning showers near the coast, but not a lot, and then inland storms in the afternoon. A little bit better chance for more widespread rainfall begins on Sunday as a result of more moisture coming down. Now this is a front, a cold front, unusual cold front in that it's going to get all the way down into Georgia, it looks like, over the upcoming 24 hours, and a low pressure area will develop along it and scoot up the eastern seaboard there, causing all sorts of headaches over the northeast. Could be a rather intense storm. And elsewhere, though, high pressure dominating the Gulf of Mexico. 67 in Boston, nice there. 68 in Toronto, 71 in Columbus now, 75 in Denver, Wichita at 82 degrees, Omaha at 73, and Dallas now checking in at 90. Here's the forecast then for boaters. Light chop out there and seas running less than 2 feet. The tides upcoming here on your screen. The water temperature 90 degrees. The high tide will be at 5:04 and a low at 11:27. Tonight, just a slight chance for some overnight showers. We'll see a low, not too low. Tomorrow, 91 for a high with a 30% chance for morning storms. Stays that way on Saturday, and then the rains and storms start to move in on Sunday.